Hello everyone, this is Vipasha Bhumik and I am here to elaborate on my article titled Elementary, My Dear Watson, the ABCs of Detective Fiction. Detective fiction as a genre has long enchanted mankind. One of the first instances of detective fiction can be found in the works of Sophocles in his play Oedipus Rex. In the play, Oedipus plows through the horrors of his own marriage, of his own progeny, and of his own birth in the manner of an investigator, with great precision and with great logic. Detective genre arose to great prominence in Britain post the Industrial Age. Post the Industrial Age, Britain witnessed a mass exodus of people migrating from the rural areas to the cities. The civic authorities and the civic bodies were simply not prepared for an exodus or a mass movement of this kind. So, crime arose in prominence, and thus did the detective genre. Police work and detective genre became the focus of the people's talks. One of the first instances of detective fiction into the mainstream English language was Edgar Allan Poe and his detective Auguste Dupin, a French eccentric person who solved mysteries with great precision, with great usage of ration and logic. No article on detective fiction can of course be regarded complete without the mention of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, the most celebrated duo in detective fiction and undoubtedly Arthur Conan Doyle's magnum opus. Then, with the advent of the golden age of crime fiction, came the queen of mysteries, Agatha Christie, and her eccentric Belgian detective, Hercule Poirot. Both of these detectives used the little grey cells or the methods of investigation into understanding the psyche or the logic of the criminal masterminds. Detective fiction continues to enjoy a huge readership and continues to enchant and occupy hearts even to this day. Many contemporary authors are also engaged in the production of detective fiction, such as J.K. Rowling with her detective Cormoran Strike. Detective fiction continues to top bestseller lists, and no wonder it is one of the most highly produced works in popular literature even to this day.